Ready, guys, for FRANKENSTEINERS. She's a witch. Ooh, so pretty. We made it to FRANKENSTEINERS. Look how packed it is here. There's cars everywhere. Look at all these classics.
Yeah, well, everyone's staring at you.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
Well, they probably like the truck. That's probably why they're staring.
Or maybe you're going one way.
Oh, there's another truck behind us too, so we're fine.
Where are you trying to park?
I don't know. Fans.
We didn't even bring candy or anything.
Those things are cool.
They got a skeleton mask.
Oh, yeah, Mama?
We got the lightning parked and the step side. I'll show you guys the step side in a little bit. It's packed here, guys. Look at this one. My Fiona. That's cool. Everybody's getting a ton of candy. Oh, M&M's. Grab them, Mama. Grab Daddy the M&M's. I do. I know, that's what I was telling you, that it was like that way somewhere. Huh? Oh, ese?
Dang, you got a lot of candy.
I'll grab some too. You got a lot of candy, mommy? No, that Ford.
What year is that? It's car 2012? I sold it.
This was like yours, huh? The one that you sold?
Same year, man.
Dang. And you wanted to do lowrider, huh? This is my buddy Jeff's badass, fast-ass truck right here, guys. This truck looks sick. He just got these new wheels, too, all around for his birthday. Oh, look at this GT 500. Sexy. Check that out. That is sick. Hellcat Durango. You see the Hellcat Durango? This thing is slammed. Holy cow. This thing is beautiful, guys. Damn. Thing is really nice. So we decided to move the trucks, guys, because there's parking closer up that way. So we are gonna do just that. Alright guys, so this car show is in October once a year, and a lot of people from Minnesota get together here and they wear their costumes, they bring their kids, they bring their cars. They put, as you can see, they put candy by their cars so the kids can grab candy with their buckets and all that cool stuff. There's my brother's step side at last swap. Look at that baby. Right there, Edward. Right there. Pull up just a little bit. Right there, right there, right there. Or go back a little bit. A little bit more. Right there. A little bit more. 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 Right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh, my cousin and the caddy. Wow, guys, the Lightning is looking nice and clean. With my brother's step side. What do you think of your step side?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Open it. Check that out, guys. How beautiful this thing is. Oh yeah, man. It's a badass ride, man. They're giving away Hot Wheels.
That one?
Bring back that.
What's that one?
We got airplane. Airplane. Is Bocho. Hold it. This one's nice. What is it? I don't know what that is. Oh, look at that. That's a Dodge. Thank you so much, guys. That's freaking awesome.
This one's old.
That is awesome.
Yeah? Yeah, you can tell this is an old one.
Oh, what is that? Is that a Dodge?
You want that one?
Can I get that one?
Yeah, take it.
A Dodge?
This is my first one. Oh, this one's nice. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, it's a Dodge.
The cars they got son carros de antes.
Yeah, Ford. Look how they set up so cool. Oh, they got gum. You want gum?
I'll bring her for Everly, no?
No, she already got some. This one's cool. With Sasquatch. Look. They got more Hot Wheels right there. Giving them away. Look at this thing right here. Are they for sale?
No, you can have each kid can have one car and one candy.
Do I count as a kid?
Today you do.
I have a daughter. She's somewhere lost over here with getting candy.
I took this one.
Oh, I'll take this one.
It's a BMW.
I don't know what this.
It's a BMW.
No, Ford Focus.
Oh, that's a Mercedes there.
Yeah.
That one's nice. Dude, check that out right there. Let's go see that right there.
That big ass. Oh, that shit's nice.
Now that thing is one of a kind.
Used to operate and stuff. We're that big.
Jesus.
It is.
This thing's a freaking monster. This thing is badass, huh? Dude, the tire's as tall as us. Jeez. That is sick. That is so sick.
A new frame. Mira.
What?
Old school,
Like that one right there? That's old school with that thing on the back. No, this thing is classic too. Look at the mirrors. Got the lowriders here. Dang. This one's nice. That grill's nice, look.
Yeah, I got $500 later.
Where's the hopper?
That's cool.
These are all street cars.
Uh-huh.
I went to the museum where I went.
There's a Shelby over there. We should go see it. Yeah. Yeah, it's better and it's starting to warm up too. I'm not as cold.
I don't know about warming up, but I should have worn my boots. Messed up.
Look at. I miss my Shelby.
I'm about to set up over there right quick, bro. 35 per car. Go home with some.
Dude, you should have put. What is it
We're
called?
looking at the show first.
Yeah, true.
I gotta look to see. I want to run the show.
I wish I would have brought mine, but they would have gotten all wet. Four-door Impala. Look at this thing right here. Twin turbo.
I was gonna wear my new sweater to my lowrider.
Damn. Oh shit. Guys, one day I want to get one of these things. These Cobras. Oh man. Hi, mommy. Got a candy. Good job. High five. You having fun, Everly? Huh? Dude, look at this. Look at the wheels. Look at the inside. They're powder coated blue too. Dang. Now that is sick. This is sick. Look, mommy, they got M&Ms right here. Here. Oh, look it. They restored it. Look how it used to look.
Oh, wow. There's your M&Ms.
Yeah, there's M&Ms. Grab some. Like Edwin. How he restored his. Mira.
Wow.
Está bien bonito este, mira el color. Wait, you can go inside?
Yeah, it's this guy. He's like.
Oh, wow. You trust people like that?
This is amazing. Thank you. Let's walk in. That is cool.
74.
Can I go in there and check it out?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Thank you.
440 drive motor. The 27.
Wow. Oh. Dang, this thing is beautiful. This is an RV, a little mini RV. Dang. Está bien bonito. Wow.
The TV too.
Check out the bathroom. Dang, tile, the toilet, a shower. Wow. That's an AC unit and heat unit right there. Alright guys, I talked to the owner of this thing and he has about $50,000 invested into it, but check out how nice this thing is. And I guess the motor, the transmission, and all the axle and like suspension components are from like a Sprinter van, but this thing is super nice. Look at this thing pressed out. This thing is gorgeous. Beautiful. We got vendors here too. Look at all these vendors. Food, donuts. Look at those pistons. That's cool. We're all gonna go get pizza. I'm gonna get a gyro. No veggies. Just the meat, please. You got the boots and everything.
¿La conoció? Ajá. Y me dijo, ¿por qué no la llevas a buscar? Ahí lo estaban para que modelen para las fotos.
No, this thing is scary. Jeez.
Look at Patrick.
You don't do lowrider?
Where?
Pelón. Rómpale, pelón.
Fucker's badass, dude.
But you wouldn't look good.
Ay, tú cállate, Judy. ¿Cómo que no?
Check that truck out. Oh, man. Welder up. You got some competition. Damn. Damn. Look at the piping and the turbos. Holy. That is badass. Dude, look at in there. Look in there. This truck bitchin'. Era puro classic.
Ese tipo de ratas se meten en los carros de nosotros.
Look at this boat. Dude, that's a freaking boat. That thing is beautiful. Look at the front end on these things. Jeez. Man, the body on this thing is crazy. They got a burnout pit right over there, guys, but I'm gonna fly up my drone so I can show y'all because there's a lot of people right there.
There's a burnout pit?
Yeah, there is.
That's not a pit.
Huh?
That is not a burnout pit.
It's a mini burnout pit.
seen it since I put this roller on?
No.
Colored. Usually they're like a flat black. I had everything color matched.
That thing's fucking sick, dude. You got the bottle? You put the bottle. Man, you don't even need bottle for this shit.
It made 1,000 horse.
1,000? Check out those Bogarts. Straight from AZ.
They weigh
Damn.
60 pounds less than my stock ones do.
Really?
Pickup, but
18,000 original miles. And how much money do you have in this thing?
top of that, or there's something on their tires?
I think maybe they're laying like powder. All right, so that was my buddy Jeff's truck. He actually hauls lowboy in Forest Lake, and he said he has invested into that truck like 70 to 80,000. Brand new fucking truck, like 15 to 18,000 miles, and he's got 70 to 80,000. That thing's 1,000 plus horse. He said the other day he was ripping it through the back roads, and that he broke the tires loose at like 130. Crazy. Well, we're chilling in my cousin's car now because we walked this whole thing and we are tired, right?
Yeah.
But guys, I think, we walked the whole car show and I did not see another Lightning. My truck was the only one here, so that's pretty cool. And a lot of people, I guess, came to take pictures of it too, right?
Yep.
According to her. Say hi. Ah, hey, why do you do that? Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. That's fun.
What's up, man? Car show's done and we decided to come and get some lunch. I got a, what is it? Chicken, what? Chicken bacon melt?
Something like that.
You got a buffalo wrap? Oh yeah. And my daughter's sleeping.